Hi student, today is the Python and Data Science NPTEL lecture number 4. We will solve the non-guaranteed. Okay. In the non-guaranteed, the first question, which of the following function can be used to split data into train and test? Remember the lecture? In the lecture we have explained the train test split method is used to split our data into train and test set. Okay. And second thing you should remember, the sklearner train test split function split a data set introducing data and test data. Okay, so answer will be this. And the second question, the function used to perform k nearest neighbor classification is. So second, the k nearest algorithm used the if you study, so this method, the k nearest algorithm uses proximity to make classification or prediction about the grouping of individual data points. So question number 2, if you will study the question number 2, the answer number third will be this, and a linear regression model is said to be good. Okay, R squared. Okay, we have done a lot of experiment. You can also check a value 1 indicate the response variable explained with our error by prediction variable. Okay, so what he explained in the program, so answer will be this, the Gini coefficient, that is 0 to 1, that is very simple. What is the here the this actually word is wrong actually, so it must be heteros heteroskedasticity. Okay, heteroskedasticity, but he has written CE. Okay, so the what is the real answer? Actually this is, its name is error term. Okay, so answer will be the first and you will submit. Okay, now we'll check what is the answer. Now you can see that I think that all the answers are correct. Okay, we pass. Now we'll come to the second. Okay, we'll come to the second. So what is the second? The second one, now we are coming to the second part. Okay, in the second part he is asking which of the following are regression problem. Assume that the appropriate data is given. So at first you must understand actually the okay, so already we discussed in the previous lecture, predicting the house price, number first. Predicting whether it will be rain or not, impossible. Okay, predicting the maximum temperature, it can possible. Predicting the sales price, it can possible. Already we explained in the class also this question. Okay, what is the price of the diamond, what is the price of the gold, we can predict. Which of the following are binary classification problem? Okay, so he's asking this question, binary classification. Already we told. Okay, predicting whether a patient is diagnosed cancer or not. Okay, because binary means yes or no. Okay, two value, yes or no, cancer or not. Okay, predicting whether a term it is tournament or not, this will be. But question number 2 and 3 not possible. Second hand car, predicting the price of the second hand car, that is not possible na, because he is asking the binary classification. Okay, so now question number, okay sorry, question number 2 is this and this na. Now question number third, we are coming question number third. If a linear, okay, you should understand actually what is the linear regression. Okay, so linear regression is to predict the value of a variable based on the value of another variable. Okay, just the example is the work experience of a person and his salary. Okay, so that is the linear regression we are using to model. Okay, so now here, according to this question, a linear regression model achieves zero training error. Can we say that all the data points lie hyperplane in d plus one dimensional space? Here d is the number of the features. Impossible, because I already told it is based on 2. Okay, based on the predict. Okay, based on the another variable. Okay, the person experience and his salary. Okay, only 2. Now this question, to understand this question you have to understand this data description. Okay, and also second one, he has given one data set, you have to go there. Actually what is the here, here total number of 315 cars, okay, it is coming per day, and but unexpectedly 450 cars he is getting, okay. So this is a problem. So to understand this problem, you should understand at first the first question he is asking: which of the following machine learning technique would not be appropriate to solve the problem given statement, okay. So the first one KNN, random forest, logistic regression, and last one is a linear regression. Already we explained linear regression means there are only two one, okay. So this is not possible, the other is possible. Now after applying logistic regression, so what is the logistic regression? Already we told the last time, logistic regression means to predict the categorical dependent variable, means true or false. So here we are not explaining about the this confusion matrix. What is the confusion matrix? It is a table to define the performance of a classification algorithm, okay. So here we will not explain everything, because we have less time. If you are able, if you are not able to understand, then please ask me in our class, okay. So that will be the answer, okay. After study, actually what is the problem here, you have to study the he has given one data set, okay. On the basis of this data, the answer we have to keep, okay. So here we will not solve all the problem. Question number 6, the answer will be this, okay, because this is totally based on the data, this is based on dummy. And the question number, this is very interesting question, happiness index report, okay. So here also I will suggest you open this file, then you will get the result. If you open this file, then you will get the result. So he is asking some answer, and you will the first question number 8, the answer will be 1 point already we solved, and question number 9, the question answer will be this, and question number 10. If you will see, this is very good question. X and Y are the two variables that have a strong linear relationship. Which of the following statement are incorrect? You can see that the last one, the variable can be positively or negatively correlated with each other, can possible. And one variable may or may not cause a change in other variable, it can possible. But if you will study the first and second one, okay, you can study the first and second one, that is incorrect, okay. And you will at last you will submit, okay, you will last submit. Thank you so much. I request to everyone that please submit the assignment at the time. Thank you so much. Bye.